Writing this thing in your LinkedIn profile name will create a negative impact on your digital presence on LinkedIn. If you want to learn, then watch this video till the end. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Ishtiaq Khan and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Grow with Ishtiaq Khan. In the previous videos, we learned about the pitching section of LinkedIn and now we are moving further and we will be learning about some of the mistakes that many new joiners on LinkedIn and many experienced people on LinkedIn are making while writing their LinkedIn profile name. Now their core purpose is to gain visibility on LinkedIn, to look unique on LinkedIn, but trying to be unique on LinkedIn and trying to gain visibility on LinkedIn, they are negatively impacting their presence on LinkedIn, their digital presence on LinkedIn. Many LinkedIn members and especially new joiners and also some of the experienced LinkedIn members are making these mistakes that when writing their profile name on LinkedIn, they use meta tags and emojis in their LinkedIn profile name. Now using meta tags and emojis will help them to you look unique. Their name will look unique on LinkedIn, but it will not help them to gain any visibility on LinkedIn. It will not help to increase their visibility on LinkedIn, increase their the visibility of their digital brand on LinkedIn. LinkedIn algorithm is not going to help them in any way and not going to favor them for such practices. So writing meta tags and emojis in your LinkedIn profile name is not a good practice. So you should avoid it and you should avoid these mistakes because it's not going to increase your visibility or in helping you to be unique on LinkedIn. Because the first thing to success is to show up. The first step to connect opportunities, to the first step to attract opportunities is to show up, is to gain visibility. And if you are not visible, then you will not be able to gain attract opportunities. So avoid these mistakes while writing your LinkedIn profile name. Now if you had liked this video, then share it with your friends and colleagues so you can also help them to avoid such mistakes while crafting their LinkedIn profile. Also, if you had still not subscribed to my YouTube channel Grow with Ishtiaq Khan, then do not forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I'm posting on this platform. Also follow Startovation on Facebook, on LinkedIn and on Instagram. So that's all about this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.